If you want to build a reliable radio network that is not dependent on cell phone towers so you can have emergency communications with your family, stay tuned because I'm going to show you the 4 items that you need to make that happen. This is David Gilmore, known as LDS Prepper, and to watch over 600 videos on emergency preparedness on living off-grid, water filtration, growing food as if your life depends on it, heirloom seeds, herbal remedies, and emergency radio communications, go to ldsprepper.com and start watching those videos. So some good friends of mine came to me and asked me to help them set up this network. After extensive testing of different radio products, we found the most reliable radio is the Wouxun KG-935G, or the G+, that's the new model. And this is the radio that I recommend for family emergencies. So please watch the video linked below this video to get the details on why I believe this is the best radio, and to use the link to get the best price and support this channel. This radio by itself is not enough to reach the distances that we need for the family to communicate with each other reliably. So in addition to that, they also purchased the Tram model 1486 GMRS antenna. This has a 6.5 dBd gain. What that means is this 5.5 watt radio with this antenna will actually be putting out about 15 watts of transmission power. That's an incredible gain, basically triple the amount of gain. I highly recommend this combination. Now, each of these components is important. Just as important as the radio and the antenna is the coax cable. Please make sure you get quality cable for your setup. You can have an amazing radio and an amazing antenna, but if the link between the two is cheap, you're going to get poor results. Again, links to all these items are going to be below this video. The fourth and final thing that you'll need is a connection cable to go from the radio connection to the antenna connection.
Okay.
This is recording.
Oh, wait a minute. All right, we have Jill and we have Sabrina. Okay, Jill and Sabrina and
Kelly.
Kelly. Oh, I'm Kelly. I'm Kelly. Okay, all right. So, okay, David is here and he is set up to take a video of this whole process. So, all right, now walk us through what you want us to do.
All right, Jill, go ahead and call Sabrina on the radio.
But I didn't hear it. Okay, Jill, would you try talking to Sabrina again? Because I didn't hear you, but I did hear Sabrina. Over. Okay, Sabrina, I can hear you, but I cannot hear Jill. Over.
All right, so what we're going to try is we're going to try a mag mount antenna.
Where's Jill? Jill! I'm Jill! Kelly!
Kelly is here. Kelly's here.
Kelly?
Over. Yes. We couldn't ever hear Jill, so we're going to try a magnetic mount antenna to see if we can pick up Jill.
How come I can pick up Jill?
Yeah, that's weird.
Because you both have external antennas.
Oh, because you both have external antennas and I don't.
Oh, yeah.
All right, hold on a second while we hook up this mag mount antenna. Or you guys can talk amongst yourselves, that's fine.
Okay. Hey, Jackie, that's pretty cool, huh? I know, you came in clear. Woo-hoo! We didn't think we're so far away.
Now ladies, let's use the radios to talk, okay? Not the cell phones.
Oh, okay. Okay, Sabrina, how are you? Over. Chicken in my bathroom. Over.
Okay, you notice the difference. You're getting both.
Yeah. Boy, I can hear both of you now. Over. Keep talking. Over.
I think somebody was trying.
Do you have a metal cookie sheet?
Yeah.
Can you get that for me, please?
Okay. Because we still can't hear them. Okay, Jill and Sabrina, can you hear me? Over.
You need to call one of us at a time, otherwise we'll both respond, but I heard you. Over.
Jill, can you hear me? Over.
Okay, Kelly?
Good, I can hear you now. But that's because I have an antenna on a cookie sheet up in the top of my cupboards. Over.
And I'm sitting on my toilet in my bathroom. Talking on the radio. Over.
Good. Jill, could you hear Sabrina talk to me? Over.
Jill? Over.
You cut it out, Sabrina. Over.
Can you check with Jill to see if she can hear me? Over.
Jill, can you hear Charlie? Over. Over. Charlie, she can only hear me. Over.
Copy that. We're going to try the roof mount antenna, so give us a minute and we'll get set up, okay? Over.
Okay, Jill, give us a conversation. Over.
Okay, this is Jill. I can hear you this time, and I hear Sabrina. I think it's looking good. Over.
Woohoo! We came out to the porch, and he's got us hooked up to the outside antenna, so I can hear you, but I really don't want to be out on the porch, and neither do you, Jill. Over.
This is Jill. I just need to buy a longer cable. My fault is that he put the antenna somewhere different than Dave and I planned originally, and so as soon as I get the longer cable, I'll be able to see inside. Over.
Good. So I guess I'll have to buy an antenna and a cable also. Over. But I can, whoops, not over, not over. So I'll have to buy those, and then I can hear you well. Over.
So Kelly, are you using a makeshift one outside from Dave that's supposed to usually hear you? Over.
Yes, he came previously and put an antenna on temporarily, and that's what we're connected to. Over.
Okay, that makes sense. A temporary one. I didn't think you bought one, but I knew you guys were working on something. So you need one just like Jackie and I have. Oh, that makes sense. Over.
Correct. It's one just like you have, and then I'll have to run it into the laundry room or the kitchen, I guess. Over.
Ask
Brandon, can you hear all of this? Over. I can. And Mom's is a little bit louder, but both of you are clear. Over.
yeah.
Woohoo! Woohoo! Yes, this is good. Over.
Exciting. Over. Yes, good. We're all connected now. Over.
this is real world testing,
Yes.
right?
Yeah.
We have a solution.
Yes.
It's working.
Yes.
We can hear Jill and Sabrina really well.
Yes.
They can hear you really well.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
So the importance of doing actual testing before there's an emergency.
Yes. Yes. The strength of our family is that we work well together. And so logically then speaking is that we have to be connected when things go down. Because if things go down and we can still communicate, our strength just skyrockets.
How do you feel about the solution? How do you feel about having the connections? What are your thoughts?
I think this will take us a whole step forward. Yeah, I think it'll be very good. I'm delighted to have it right here in the kitchen, and I hope both girls can be able to do the same. Put it so it's easy access, so it's instead of just something that we're unfamiliar with, it will become something that we are all familiar with. So I think it'll be a great addition. We thought about this off and on for a long time, and finally we all got to a point that we said, no, we've got to be able to communicate. So I think it's great.
Yeah, and so we actually had talked about satellite phones.
Yes.
What was the drawback on satellite phones?
I think the expense.
Yes.
Isn't it?
Yeah, it's $100 a month.
Oh, yes, and the continued fee.
Right,
Yes.
every month, $100
Yes.
a month.
Yes.
Okay. The Wouxun KG-935G radio, you buy once, and you can use it as much as you want.
Yes.
No monthly fee.
Yes.
We talked about satellite texting.
Mhm.
That's not very practical because there's no real voice communication,
Right.
and there's a monthly fee of I think $60 on that.
Right.
We also talked about amateur radio or ham radio.
Right.
What was the downside about that?
You had to do your license, and that was a downfall. And the chances of all three of us doing that was not as great.
Okay.
The other thing we liked about this is that you said we could do multiple channels, hear that, which was really good. So if you have outside support, you can connect into that, and also the weather, right?
Yes. Yeah, so any frequencies that, any radio frequency that you want to listen to, literally, this radio can pick up. You just can only broadcast on the GMRS.
Yes.
Okay, it physically will
Yes.
not transmit.
Yes, which I think in a crisis, it would be very good to be able to connect in
Yes.
to all of those.
Yeah, it'd be nice to know, do we have any first responders? Is ambulance working? Is the
Right.
hospital working? Are the schools
Right.
closed? Okay, are the police on, trying to
Right,
get a
what
hold of
the
police?
action the community is doing.
Right.
Yes.
Very important to be aware of what's going on around you.
Yes.
Yeah,
Yes.
absolutely.
So I think that's really important.
And also the NOAA weather alerts, if you just have the radio turned on, regardless of what channel it's on, if there's an alert, it'll come through on your radio. So you don't have to be programmed into a weather station.
Okay.
It'll just announce there's a warning. All right, any last thoughts?
No, I think it was a good deal.
Okay, very good. Oh, that didn't record. We need to do it again.